Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, new week, new puzzles on Monday. Yes, Monday, January the 30th, 2023. We have not so good news, only one regular puzzle, and it's Medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have no additional, just like last Monday there were also no extra puzzles, and last week I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition, because in the weekend edition now we have a lot of puzzles, a lot of sudokus. So I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Saturday edition. Let me show you. We have two puzzles left in the puzzle page. The binary. Yes, we have a 10 by 10 binary, 2 stars, and one Sudoku with 4 stars. Well, I think it's not a 4 stars puzzle, it's a 1 star. And we have 3 puzzles in the Sunday additional. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and the tectonic. Yeah, so 5 puzzles in the weekend edition. But first, we will solve this medium, baby. Yes, and this one will be number 5876. 5876. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has medium Sudoku 26 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be 2 stars. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit for a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row? So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there, 4, 4, okay, 4, 4, 4. Well, we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. All right, okay. All right. Then. How about we have a 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, okay. Will be difficult. 9, 9. Okay. I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? The 1 in this row. The 1 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 1 and 8. Okay. 3 and the 5. 8, 8. 1, 1. Yeah, 1 1 1 1. Let me think. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. I need to wait. Well, not true. We have here 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers in this column is the number 1. Well, 2 of those missing numbers. Yeah, 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1 and the 9. 1 and a 9 in this column. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. We have a 1 and a 9 in the last row, so no 1 and a 9 in that box. So the 1 and a 9 in this column should be in these 2 boxes. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Right. 9 in the last row. 9 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? No. 9 in the first column. 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Wait. 2, 2. 6. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Yeah. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. Well, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this third row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the number 1, 6, 4, 3, 7. Yeah, I need to think. 1, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and 5. 5. Come on. 2, 3. 2 and 3. Yeah, I need to think here. 7. 7. Come on. This is taking too long. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in this column. No 7 in that box, so one box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. I cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 3 to 5. 2 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And then 2, 5, 7, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in the first column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 digit left in this last row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. All right. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this last column. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. And we have a pair, the 1 and 8 in this column, the 1 last column, and the 1 and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and the 5 are missing in this column. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 6, number 2. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Okay. Yeah. we have 2 missing numbers. We have a 7 here, so the 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Here we have a 7 also, so the 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 5 is missing, and a 7, yeah, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. We have need a 5 in the last column, so 5 goes there. So the other 2 should be 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3, 5, 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you, need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 6 puzzles. 5 puzzles, yeah. Now 5 puzzles left in the weekend edition. You can also start those puzzles, because you can download those PDF file. If you have troubles, just come back and watch the videos in the evening. I will post it on YouTube. So have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again in the evening with the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. Until then, bye bye for now.